Using macros improves the overall functionality of Linchpin. In Page Edit mode, click Insert More Content in the toolbar to view a short list of macros. If the macro you want isn't there, click on Other Macros to open the macro dialog. Here, you can select different groups of macros from the sidebar or start typing the name of the macro in the search field. When you click on a macro, you see a new dialog where, depending on the macro, you can enter in specific information. Click Insert to place the macro on your page. Click on the macro's preview icon to open the macro dialog. You can edit macro settings or delete it. After you save your page, you will see the fully functioning macro in view mode.